And also thank you so much din po sa ating po mga commissioners to initiating na magkaroon po ng program na ganito this afternoon. And also, lahat po ng ating pong players na nariyan, please proceed po dito sa ating pong mga benches na mayroon pa pong ilan. At ang iba po ay magsiksikan na lang po tayo this afternoon.
I sing the mighty power of God that made the mountains rise, that spread the creatures in and everlasting good. Lord, how we wonder are displayed where died of Calvary, on the side of Jesus, Lord, in the splendor.
Aming amang mga pangyarihan ka po sa lahat, Ama. Salamat po sa araw na ito na inyong ipinagkaloob. Na wala po kami magagawa sa aming buhay kapag wala po ang tulong ninyo. Kaya po, Ama, sa pagkakataon pong ito na kami po ay magkakaroon ng isang programa na kung saan ito po
ang ating Goodman League Season 2, which is continuation nung last year. At bilang head commissioner ng Goodman League na ito, kayo ay aming wini-welcome kasama ng aking mga kamanggagawa na commissioner by dorms na kung saan kami naririto upang kayo ay paglingkuran. Pero sa programa natin sa hapong ito, ang nag-lead sa ating awitan ay nagmula sa Eastern Hall, si Christian Sanggal.
Cheering on the faithful, encouraging the weary, their lives is weary.
One question, or maybe two. Number one, why do you participate in activities like this? Bakit ba kayo sumasali sa ganito? I think you have your personal answer, di ba? Kasi you have your own reason perhaps in participating in this Goodman League. The second question is this: what are the potential risks that it is your intention to play and participate in this Goodman League to show the goodness of your character? Okay? It's not the first and foremost here is to show the character indeed of a good man based on the standard of the Bible.